Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change your name on Facebook, go to your Facebook account and click on your profile icon on upper right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Now click on settings. In left pane you will find account center. Click on account center. Here under profile you will find your profile name and click on your profile. Now click on name. Now I'm going to change my Facebook account name. Now click on review change. Now select your change and please note you would not be able to change your name within next 60 days. Now click on done. Look, my Facebook account name has been changed. Now I'm going to check and look, my Facebook account name has been changed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.